I'm about to share with you how we made more than $54,000 in additional annual revenue by making one simple change. Hey, really quick while I have you here, I wanted to take this second and talk to all of my home service businesses. If you are in the home service industry and you want to scale without being stuck in the day-to-day, I need you to listen up. Myself and Will Kelly, we just launched a school community called Home Service Scalers, and the first 500 members get in for only $49 a month. After that, it jumps to $99. So you can lock in your rate now, cancel anytime, no questions asked. Hear me out. All of the value that you are going to receive comes at just the price of one extra mow per month, for example. You'll get all of the systems, playbooks, and coaching that you need to grow your team, automate operations, and take back your time. Like I said, for less than the price of one extra mow a month. Do not wait. You get to get all of that. Additionally, you get direct access to myself and Will Kelly once a month on our live Q&A. Do not wait. Click the link below in the description and start scaling or start your home service business today. Let's get back to the video. Hey there, Sam here with Troops Mowing. We are a residential lawn care company just north of Austin, Texas. And today I want to show you how we changed just one thing in our business and generated an additional $54,000 in annual revenue in just one day. We used to price everything per service. You would hit our website, fill out a form, and you could choose anything from mowing to weed control, flower bed cleanup, and even pet waste removal. We would either send you a custom estimate, or we also adopted an instant pricing tool that we would put on our website. It seems simple, but we were missing the big picture. If we just reframed our services, it would change the game. This is where the strategic shift happened. We switched over to packaged pricing. So after a few weeks of thinking it over, I realized something. If we want more people on weed control and fertilization, why not just bundle our services in a way that makes those options irresistible and profitable? Now, this introduces our military-themed packages. We launched 3 new packages: clean, strategic, and we themed them to match our military brand. The lowest level tier is what we call our Yard Cadet package. Bi-weekly mowing, that's it. We're keeping it simple. The Sergeant package is our second tier, and that includes bi-weekly mowing plus full weed control and fertilizer services. Now, our top tier package is what we call our Commander package. This is the works. This is mowing, unlimited weed control, annual liquid aeration, annual drought protection applications, a kid and pet friendly infographic for weed control, an HOA fine protection guarantee. The way this works, it's based on the psychology of pricing. This is where I believe it gets brilliant. We calculate the total annual revenue of the package, mowing, treatments, aeration, all of it. And we divide that by the number of visits in that year. Now that gives us a flat per service rate. This means every visit feels the same to the customer, but our most frequent service, mowing, now becomes our most profitable. This is why this works so well. And here's the kicker. If a customer cancels midway through the year, no problem, because we've already collected higher margin revenue from mowing. They're no longer chasing after one-off treatments or getting burned by cancellations. Another reason why I think that this package pricing is such a massive tool to our business is because most companies that adopt this packaged pricing model, they do a level billing, meaning they invoice at the end of each month. Well, that gets really complicated. That adds a lot of friction on the administrative side of things. So instead of doing a per month flat level rate, we're just switching that over to a per service flat rate. It's easier for the customer to understand. It's easier for them to budget. They don't feel like they are getting locked into contracts as they would feel if they went the monthly level billing route. It just creates less friction in the entire sales process. But we didn't stop at packaging. We've also added some tactical advantages. We're doing unlimited spot treatments. We show up anytime weeds pop up. That's why we can reframe it as unlimited weed control on our highest level package. We're also doing a pet and kid-friendly infographic. This tackles the number one objection. A lot of people are rightly and they're justified in their concern about the products being safe for their kids and pets. This infographic that we took some time and crafted helps solve that issue, helps overcome that objection. We're also doing an HOA fine protection guarantee. If the HOA fines you for any turf-related issue, if you're one of our customers, not only are we going to pay that HOA fine on your behalf, we will also service your lawn free for the next 6 months. Try competing with that. It's not that we are special, it's that we are reframing our services and we stand behind our quality, that we are able to offer a packaged system like this. Now, here's the results. We flipped the switch on this new model in one day, literally just one day. The result? We created more than $54,000 in annualized revenue instantly. No new technicians, no new managers, no new leadership, no new team, just a better offer presented in a way that makes it irresistible to customers. When we switched over to all of our customers, we switched this to new customers first, and then we implemented it to all of our pre-existing customers. It was received so well because it's easier to understand. Instead of saying like, what services do I need as a customer? They just say, I have 3 options to pick from. Let's just pick the middle one or the top one. Very rarely are we seeing the yard cadet package, the bottom one that's just mowing it, being selected. So now this artificially increases our weed control customers, which is a very profitable service in relation to gross profit, that now allows us to get more of those customers without any extra admin time or admin costs in trying to sell them. Now, if you are a homeowner watching this, we made these packages for you. They are simple, effective, and they're affordable. If you're a lawn care business owner watching this video, I hope this gives you ideas, because pricing isn't just numbers. It's strategy, it's reframing, it's thinking, how can I solve my customer's problem the most effective way possible? And how can I word it to where it's easily digestible for them to make a quick decision? Now, if you are a lawn care business owner, or if you are a home service business owner watching this video, I encourage you to click the link below to check out our packages and see what you can do for your lawn. Now, this is all going to be within our school community called Home Service Scalers that Will Kelly and myself have built out. If you like business content like this, please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell, because that helps me know what kind of content I need to create for you, the one watching this video. Now, my goal is to help turn ordinary lawn care companies into sustainable cash printing assets for small business owners like yourself. So like I said, if you want my direct help, if you want Will Kelly's direct help, please check out the description below and click that link. We'll be sure to talk to you soon. Thank you.
Okay, let's go.